Understanding, sit out, a journey through English idioms. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we're diving deep into the phrase, sit out. It's one of those English idioms that can be a bit tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how and when to use it. Before we delve into its idiomatic uses, let's understand its literal meaning. Sit out can mean to choose not to participate in an activity, even though others are doing so. To wait for a period of time to pass. Example, if there's a dance going on and someone decides not to dance, they might say, "I'll sit out this dance." In a more figurative sense, sit out can also mean to choose not to be involved in a particular event or situation. Example, if there's a heated argument and someone chooses not to get involved, they might remark, "I'm going to sit out this debate." A common mistake learners make is confusing sit out with simply sitting outside. However, sit out doesn't refer to the location where you're sitting. It's about choosing not to participate. Wrong usage, it's a sunny day, so I'll sit out in the garden. Correct usage, it's a sunny day, so I'll sit in the garden. Alright, fellow language learners. Now you're equipped with the knowledge of the phrase, sit out. Whether you're choosing to skip a dance or avoid a debate, this is a versatile phrase to have in your English arsenal. We hope this video has been illuminating. Keep learning, and see you in the next one.